Your attitude determines your altitude. Learn from mistakes and keep moving forward. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. Never let success get to your head. Be patient, success takes time.
Don't be afraid of failure. Embrace it. Believe in yourself and your dreams. Success comes to those who work hard. Opportunities are disguised as challenges. If you don't give up, you still have a chance. Your attitude determines your altitude. Learn from mistakes and keep moving forward. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. Never let success get to your head. Be patient. Success takes time.
Stay focused and never lose sight of your goals. Make your customers happy, and success will follow. Don't complain, look for solutions. Keep learning and growing. Persistence is the key to success. Embrace competition and learn from it. Think big and aim high. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal.
Hope this
It's the
video of
courage to
mine
continue
helped to
that
change your
count.
life. Thanks for watching this video.